Today I'm going to show you how to find the surface area and volumes of similar solids. So in the first example, we have pyramids, and the question is asking, what is the surface area of pyramid A? We are given the surface area of pyramid B. So surface area, we have to remember to make our ratios and then square them. So we have pyramid A over pyramid B. So pyramid A, the height is 6 feet, and pyramid B, the height is 10 feet. So remember, we want to simplify and then square it. So we're going to simplify 6/10 to 3/5. Then we're going to square it. So it's 9/25. We don't know the surface area of pyramid A, so that's where our variable goes, and the surface area of B is 600. And now we have a proportion, and we can just cross multiply and divide. So 9 times 600 is 5,400 equals 25x. And then divide by 25. Divide by 25. So x equals 216 feet squared. So pyramid A, surface area is 216 feet squared. Let's try another one. Here we have two cylinders, and we're given the diameters of both cylinders. I'll call the first one A and the second one B. So I always like to label A over B. Then we have 5 over 4. Remember, we have to square it because we are given the surface area of the second one. So 5 squared is 25, and 4 squared is 16. We don't know the surface area of A, but we do know the surface area of B is 110 centimeters squared. And now we're just solving for x. So x would equal 171.9 centimeters squared. So the surface area for cylinder A would be 171 9/10 centimeters squared. Here they're saying the cones are similar. Find the missing slant height. So we don't have to square anything. We're just going to set up our proportions. We have cone X and we have cone Y. So cone X, I'm going to do the slant height of X is 13. And the slant of cone Y we don't know. Equals, we know the radius of X is 5. And we know the radius of Y is 7. So there's our proportion, and now we just solve. So I have 5L equals 91 divided by 5 divided by 5. So the slant height in cone Y is 18.2 yards. Okay, in these next two examples, we're given the volume. So remember, volume, we need to cube the ratios. So I'll call this one A and the second one B. And I like to label A over B. So we have 5 over 12, and we're going to cube it because we're talking about volume now. So 5 cubed is 125. And then 12 cubed is 1,728. We are given the volume for B. So then we're going to set up x over 288. Cross multiply, divide, x equals 20.8 centimeters cubed. So the volume of cone A would be 20.8. Let's try another one. Okay, here we have two pyramids. We're given the sides. And once again, they gave us the volume, but this time of the first one. So this time they gave us the A. So I'm going to A and B. So side A is 3, side B is 4. And we are talking about volume, so we're going to cube it. So 3 cubed is 27. 4 cubed is 64. I'm given the first volume, so it's 9 over x. cross multiply, divide, I get 21.3 inches cubed. I hope this helped you understand finding surface areas and volumes of similar solids.